This morning, law enforcement officials announced the indictments of 15 individuals in southern Indiana in relation to two separate drug trafficking organizations. Nicole Christine attended the news conference and spoke with officials on the investigation that led to the arrests, and she joins us with why they are calling today a big win. It's always good when they can get the bad guys off the street.
Yeah,
right?
get the drugs off the street,
Yeah.
get the weapons off the street. And as a result of this investigation, 23 pounds of methamphetamine and 15 guns were seized. But officials say it's not about the bust, but rather taking down the organization bringing drugs and violence to our small town communities.
This arrest is a big win.
Thursday morning, law enforcement officials announced a successful end to an investigation spanning over 6 months as two drug trafficking organizations were broken up through 15 federal arrests. The 15 defendants live in several different southern Indiana cities, something Special Agent Michael Gannon says is not uncommon in these organizations.
Drug traffickers live in every community, and they have relationships with other friends or other associates, and what they try to do is they try to just get clients, and what they'll do is they'll prey on people that have those substance abuse needs or issues. The investigation ended with over 20 pounds of methamphetamine, which officials say equals roughly $250,000, and 15 guns being confiscated. But Gannon says the dismantling of the organizations are what matter most. It's not always about the bust. I mean, we'll get significant seizures, and that happens. It's about taking off the organization. That's the important thing. U.S. Attorney Josh Minkler says prosecuting drug dealers rather than addicts is the priority of law enforcement.
Drug addicts, people that are addicted to methamphetamine, need to get treatment. There's plenty of places where they can get treatment here in the Southern District of Indiana. What we're going after is people that are making money from selling drugs.
And Minkler says these two cases set the tone for future successes in eliminating drug trafficking organizations.
The Southern District of Indiana will be the most inhospitable place to sell drugs.
A goal Minkler says can only happen with continued action.
If we don't continue, this win will mean nothing.
Now, of the defendants, 7 were Terre Haute residents and 1 person is from Brazil. All but 1 defendant is facing the possibility of life in prison if convicted.
This is always an important topic here.
Oh, yeah.
And you spoke with Josh Minkler there, and I could tell he was determined. They really are trying to stop this.
Yeah,
right?
there's a lot more information to the story. Everyone with our WTWO app should have gotten a notification during that story, a little bit before that story, actually. That'll send you to our website. That's where you can find the full news conference from this morning, as well as those web-exclusive answers from Minkler. He's been prosecuting for 25 years. He has a lot of good information to share.
Good information. All right. Thank you, Nicole.